How to connect Zapier with Facebook leads. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Zapier. After that, create a new Zap, and over here in the trigger section, just simply search for Facebook leads and just select it. Then select the event for which you want the triggers. So new lead is the only event as of now, and click on continue. Now it will ask you to connect your Facebook page. Just simply sign in using your details, and this way you would be able to connect Zapier with your Facebook page. And now you can, and in the next step, just set the triggers and test it out. And as for the actions, just simply click on it and select Google Sheets. That would be better. So just simply type Google Sheets or Sheets and then click on it. This way you would be able to choose the event and select the worksheet or any other action according to your needs and requirements. This way all the data that will be fetched from your Facebook page will be shown in the Google Sheets. And this is how you are able to integrate your Zapier with Facebook leads, and that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.